Come, follow me. Today I got this 3-bedroom plus study at the Watergardens to show you. Okay, as we enter, okay, on my right is immediately an enclosed kitchen. Okay, maybe you have a look. Okay, very nice colors. All right, look at the backsplash of the cabinets here. The black splash here, very nice colors, black color. Okay, at the back we have WC. Okay, so you might be wondering where is the washing machine. Okay, so over for this unit here, right, the washer dryer is actually a 2-in-1. Okay, right hidden beneath this countertop. All right. Okay, nice colors. Okay, easy to maintain. Black color, easy to maintain. All right, comes with a brand new fridge as well. Okay, Electrolux. Okay, come. As you enter, you can see from here we have a bomb shelter. Okay, home shelter. Okay, on my left is where the first bedroom is. Okay, so you can have a look. Okay, this first bedroom, very nice. As you enter, you can see that we're actually facing the pool. Okay, directly facing the pool. Okay, this is really a resort style living. All right. Okay, everything brand new. Okay, the owner just got their keys and they're actually thinking of upgrading to a bigger unit already. Let you feel the living and dining room space. Okay, it is really very spacious. Okay, with all your furniture coming in, okay, you won't feel that this area is small. Okay, it's really very spacious. Okay, come. We have a very good pool facing overlooking the whole development over here. Okay, the Watergardens. All right, very nice. Okay, very nice view. Okay, for our first bedroom, closer to the master, okay, you can see that for this particular bedroom, right, it is actually linked to the balcony. Okay, so once you wake up, you can even walk out to the balcony and enjoy some fresh air. All right. Okay, come have a look at the common bathroom. Okay, look at the finishes, very nice. Okay, very nicely done up. Okay, you can come and see. Okay, this is a brand new unit. Okay, over here you can see this one is the study area. Okay, a small little study. Okay, this is a very good study area. Okay, you can even have this enclosed door. Comes with aircon unit as well, so it can double up as a helper's room if you want to. Okay, come, let me show you the master. Okay, this is really a very big master. Okay, if you put a king size bed, it should reach here. All right, king size bed. Okay, you still got a good space over here. Okay, after your king size bed, you can still have space for maybe a study table. Okay, and the good thing here, you see, same view. Okay, spectacular view. All right, so coming back home is just like staying in the resort. Okay, it's just like having a holiday. All right, so every day is like a holiday. Okay. Maybe you can have a look at the master bath. Okay, comes with a nice rain shower. Okay, branded fittings. All right. Okay, whatever you see here is brand new. Okay, nobody use it at all. All right. So you'll be the first one to stay here. Okay, if you'd like to see more of this unit, do drop us a message below and we will gladly show you. All right. See you soon.